Welcome to our review video, showcasing the top 10 best active noise-canceling earbuds on the market. In today's fast-paced world, having a pair of high-quality earbuds with noise-canceling capabilities can make a world of difference. Number 1. Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2. The Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2 excel in noise cancellation, providing an immersive audio experience. Their sound quality is outstanding with rich bass and clear trebles. The secure fit ensures comfort during extended use. However, some may find them bulky. Pros: impressive noise cancellation, excellent sound quality, comfortable fit. Cons: bulky design. Number 2. Sennheiser CX Plus. Sennheiser CX Plus earbuds offer well-balanced sound with deep bass. The noise cancellation works effectively, and the compact design provides a snug fit. However, battery life may not be as long-lasting. Pros: balanced sound, effective noise cancellation, compact design. Cons: average battery life. Number 3. Sony WF-1000XM5. Sony WF-1000XM5 boasts top-notch noise cancellation and excellent audio quality. The adaptive sound control enhances the listening experience. The higher price may be a downside for some users. Pros: industry-leading noise cancellation, exceptional audio quality, adaptive sound control. Cons: higher price point. Number 4. Apple AirPods Pro 2. The Apple AirPods Pro 2 offers seamless integration with Apple devices, alongside active noise cancellation. They provide balanced sound and are sweat and water resistant. However, compatibility with non-Apple devices may be limited. Pros: seamless integration with Apple devices, active noise cancellation, sweat and water resistant. Cons: limited compatibility with non-Apple devices. Number 5. Sony WF-C700N. Sony WF-C700N earbuds combine impressive noise cancellation with a comfortable fit. The audio quality is clear and balanced, though some may desire more pronounced bass. The touch controls might take time to get used to. Pros: impressive noise cancellation, comfortable fit, clear audio quality. Cons: bass may be lacking. The learning curve for touch controls. Number 6. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro offer effective noise cancellation and a compact design. The audio quality is commendable, but the battery life may not be as long-lasting. Pros: effective noise cancellation, compact design, decent audio quality. Cons: average battery life. Number 7. Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3. Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 delivers superior sound quality with dynamic bass. The transparent hearing mode enhances situational awareness. However, the earbuds are relatively expensive. Pros: superior sound quality, transparent hearing mode, water resistant. Cons: high price tag. Number 8. One More Piston Buds Pro. One More Piston Buds Pro offers budget-friendly active noise cancellation. They provide decent sound quality and a comfortable fit. Noise cancellation performance might not match premium models. Pros: budget-friendly option, decent sound quality, comfortable fit. Cons: noise cancellation may not be as powerful. Number 9. Beats Fit Pro. The Beats Fit Pro offers a bass-forward sound signature and a secure fit for workouts. The noise cancellation works well, but battery life may not be as impressive. Pros: bass-forward sound, secure fit for workouts, effective noise cancellation. Cons: average battery life. Number 10. Google Pixel Buds Pro. The Google Pixel Buds Pro offers a comfortable fit and clear sound quality. The adaptive sound feature automatically adjusts volume based on surroundings. However, the noise cancellation could be improved. Pros: comfortable fit, clear sound quality, adaptive sound feature. Cons: noise cancellation could be better. In conclusion, each model on our top 10 active noise cancelling earbuds list has its strengths and weaknesses, catering to diverse user preferences and budgets.